What is 75 hard? Although many people start 75 hard in order to get in shape, it's important to note that this program was not designed as a fitness program. The program is meant to challenge you on an intense level of personal development, and not necessarily to get you in your best physical shape. In fact, for the 45-minute workouts required each day, you could do something as simple as walk or ride a bike. It doesn't need to be anything physically demanding. What makes the 75 hard challenge so difficult? It's hard to do anything for 75 days, for almost all people. Exercise programs, diet plans, and even something as simple as sticking to a schedule or drinking water daily. Most people will stick with something for those first few energetic days, and then bam! Something comes up. You get sick, or get invited on a boys' night out, or you forget to pack your lunch, and it completely derails you. The 75 hard challenge is meant to break you from the consistent starting and stopping. It gets you to realize that you can finish things, difficult things. Anything that you want. WHO created the 75 hard challenge? The 75 hard challenge is a mental toughness challenge created by Andy Frisella, a personal development guru. The 75 hard challenge program is not a fitness program, although you will likely see physical change if you are doing 2 workouts each day. The purpose of the program is to develop discipline, self-esteem, self-worth, and confidence in your ability to start something and finish. That being said, here are the tasks that you will complete each day for 75 straight days, no cheating. 75 hard challenge daily checklist. Drink 1 gallon of water every day. This sounds easy, but it is definitely difficult. To make sure you stick to your water goal, grab a fun water bottle that makes it easy to keep track and stay motivated. Stick to a diet, no cheat meals or alcohol. You can choose any diet you wish. The point is to pick a diet and stick to it, no matter what. This is to prove to yourself that you can finally stick to a plan, without cheating or quitting after a few days. You can do keto, low carb, count your calories, or whatever you please. It's important that you do 0 cheat meals, not even the smallest handful of chips or candy. If you cheat, you start over at day 1. Also, no alcohol on this plan. Work out for 45 minutes twice per day. 1 workout must be outside. The outdoor workout is supposed to help you stay the course, despite poor conditions. It's likely that during one of the 75 days, it will rain or be extra hot or cold, but this teaches us that the conditions are never perfect. Of course, don't be running outside during a lightning storm or hurricane or something crazy like that. Be smart, but push outside of your comfort zone. Take a progress picture each day. Make sure you snap those progress pics. No one has to see it but you. It's important to see your progress through pictures to keep you motivated. Is 75 hard healthy? The great part about the 75 hard challenge is that it can be scaled to your fitness level and experience. There are no guidelines for the diet or fitness plan that you choose. You just need to pick something and stick to it. You could simply decide to stick to a 2,000-calorie diet and walk outdoors for your workouts. You don't need to starve yourself and train for a marathon at all. If you try to stretch yourself too thin, you won't be very likely to complete the challenge. Stick to a realistic diet and fitness plan, and you will see amazing results when you finish. What are the benefits of the 75 hard challenge? One of the most common struggles that you can hear from friends and family are that they want to start budgeting, working out, blogging, etc., but they just can't stick to it. That's why the idea of this challenge is great. It's helping you to develop mental toughness and discipline. 2 very important qualities when tackling any goal. Andy Frisella says that finishing the program will completely change your life. I believe that, because I know that overcoming mindset and mental blocks is one of the most difficult things to do when starting something challenging and new. If you're worried about failing, the beauty of this program is that if you miss a day or cheat on your diet, or something happens, you just start over from day 1. Yes, even if you're on day 65, if you grab a handful of chips that was not part of your diet plan, or you forget to finish your gallon of water, you are starting back at day 1. When you finish the 75 days, you will know that you did it and you were able to be disciplined enough to finally complete something big. This will translate to any and every area of your life. You will know that you can do hard things, and your confidence in yourself will improve. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. I really do appreciate your support.